Welcome to the presentation, Why do you need to deliver e-learning on mobiles and tablets? We will also learn about the strategic benefits of delivering e-learning on mobile devices. Let us see why e-learning needs to be delivered on mobile devices. It is common knowledge that the extensive use of smartphones and tablets and groundbreaking innovations in technology have made e-learning the talk of the training world. Let us now discuss in detail. 1. Growing mobile workforce. 2. Changing behavior of staff. 3. Doing more in less time. 4. Increasing number of Gen Y workers. These are some reasons that made e-learning the favorite of training managers to impart training to employees. Let us discuss them one by one in detail. Organizations are expanding globally using the services of international workforces. The IDC estimates that 3/4 of the American workforce has access to mobile devices. The phenomenal increase in the size of the mobile workforce is creating buzz in the world of learning and development. The developments in the information and communications technology have transformed the way we live and work. Morgan Stanley estimates that by 2014, more people would access the Internet using their mobile devices than desktop computers. To increase efficiency, organizations are focusing on employee training and development to maintain the same zeal in the workforce. E-learning has huge potential to cater the needs of individuals and organizations. According to Forrester, 66% of employees now use 2 or more devices every day, including desktops, laptops, smartphones and tablets. A smaller, but notable 12% said they now use tablets at work. Approximately 2/3 of the people access 2 or more devices every day, which includes mobile, laptops, smartphones. A notable 12% of employees use tablets even at workplace every day. So these are some reasons why e-learning is on the edge. Now let us understand the benefits of mobile learning. E-learning offers these potential benefits that are being valued to the organization. Now, let us see them in detail. E-learning provides easy access to information. It facilitates effective collaborative learning and helps take better decisions. Through e-learning, learners get instant access to the content without any delay. Just-in-time learning SNAGEST provides information to learner and avoids cognitive overload and increases in learning. They can take the advantage of using their spare time, maybe while traveling or in between the meeting. Collaborative learning enables learners to discuss their ideas or views with peers. Also supports knowledge sharing through messaging, discussion forums, etc. It gives quick access to short chunks of information. E-learning helps you interact with experts efficiently and obtain their advice. This can improve their decision-making. Increase in the usage of mobile devices gives a chance and freedom to learn. Employees consider smartphones and tablets to be an integral part of their jobs. For demos of highly interactive and effective e-learning solutions, visit our website www.comlabindia.com/custom-elearning/elearning demos php. Thank you.